Forget everything you thought you knew about the death of the American muscle car. When Chevy retired the sixth-generation Camaro, the automotive world went quiet. We thought the legend was dead. But behind closed doors in Detroit, Chevrolet wasn't mourning. They were building. You are looking at the absolute first look at the 2028 Chevrolet Camaro, and it is nothing like what the rumors predicted. If you think this is just another boring electric crossover with a classic badge slapped on it, think again. Chevy is pulling off a move that is going to absolutely fracture the car community. And in just a couple of minutes, we're going to reveal the mind-blowing powertrain choice that changes everything. First, let's talk about the look. Chevrolet didn't just evolutionize the old design, they revolutionized it. Up front, the iconic, menacing stance is back, but it's sliced open with razor-thin LED matrix headlights and a massive functional aero splitter. Look at the silhouette. It keeps that classic, low-slung, high beltline muscle car proportion we love, but the bodywork is wrapped in ultra-lightweight composite and carbon fiber. Chevy is aiming directly at the new Dodge Charger and the Ford Mustang, but they've done something to the aerodynamics on the rear quarter panels that completely alters how this car handles high-speed downforce. But the real shockwave? It's what happens when you step inside. Step into the cockpit, and it feels less like a traditional car and more like a fighter jet. You've got a massive, immersive curved display curving around the driver, featuring a brand new, track-focused telemetry system. But notice something? Look right there on the center console. That is a physical, mechanical shifter. Now, why would a 2028 high-tech muscle car need a heavy-duty mechanical shifter if the rumors insisted the Camaro was going 100% electric? This is where the story takes a massive turn. Everybody thought Chevy was going to turn the Camaro into a four-door electric sedan to compete with Tesla. But leaked production blueprints reveal they changed their minds at the absolute 11th hour. Here's the truth that Chevy didn't want out yet. The 2028 Camaro is not just a battery on wheels. To completely blindside Ford and Dodge, GM is introducing a multi-energy platform. Yes, there will be an all-electric, hyper-performance variant pushing a staggering 900 horsepower. But for the purists, the ones who refuse to let the V8 die, sources close to GM design teams have confirmed a top-tier, limited-run variant. We are talking about a twin-turbocharged small-block V8 paired with a compact, high-output hybrid assist system. It creates a hybrid monster designed not for fuel economy, but for pure, unadulterated torque-filling power. Zero turbo lag. Instant throttle response. It is a direct assault on the supercar market, wrapped in an American muscle body. Chevy didn't just save the Camaro, they gave it the ultimate split personality. You can choose the silent, spaceship-fast EV, or the roaring, twin-turbo hybrid V8 that will shake the asphalt beneath you. The battle for the future of muscle is officially back on. So which side are you taking? Are you going full electric, or are you fighting for the hybrid V8? Drop your choice in the comments below right now. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because as soon as the official order guides drop, you'll hear it here first. See you in the next one.